Hey everyone, Bryant Lovette here with Lovette Properties, and calling everybody. Everyone is gonna wanna see this next home that we have coming active this weekend. We're in the heart of Apex. We're in Perry Farms. This is a non-HOA community, so it's an amazing opportunity for both the investor and the homeowner on a budget. We're priced under $400,000, 3-bed, a roof and HVAC system within the past 4 to 5 years. It's a solid house. I can't wait to bring it to you guys, and it won't last long. We know that to be true, so share it with your friends. Please reach out to me if you're interested, and we will get back to you. We'll get you in. Guys, have a fantastic rest of your day and a fantastic rest of your week.